When it comes to replacing a door in your Redmond home, there's much more to consider than just aesthetics. A door plays a critical role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading your front entry door, replacing patio doors, or swapping out interior doors, choosing the right one requires thoughtful consideration. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming, but with the right information, you can make an informed decision that enhances both the functionality and beauty of your home. Here are expert tips for selecting the right door for replacement in Redmond. Consider the door's function. The first step in choosing a new door is to determine its primary function. Is it an entry door, a patio door, or an interior door? Different types of doors serve different purposes, and selecting the right one for the specific function will ensure you get the performance you need. Entry doors. These doors should offer security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Look for doors made of sturdy materials like steel or fiberglass, which are durable and provide excellent insulation. You also want a door with a high-quality lock system for safety. Patio doors. Sliding glass doors or French doors are popular options for patios. You'll want a door that's easy to operate, provides ample natural light, and is durable enough to withstand Redmond's weather conditions. Interior doors. For interior doors, you'll want to think about privacy, soundproofing, and style. Solid core doors offer better insulation and soundproofing, while hollow core doors are lightweight and cost-effective. Think about energy efficiency. Redmond's climate, which includes cold, wet winters and mild summers, can have a significant impact on your energy bills. One of the best ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by installing an energy-efficient door. Poorly insulated doors can let in drafts, forcing your heating system to work harder during colder months and driving up your utility bills. When selecting a replacement door, look for models that are energy efficient. Opt for doors with an Energy Star rating, which indicates that they meet high energy performance standards. Insulated steel or fiberglass doors are great choices for entry doors, while low-E glass for patio doors can help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Prioritize security features. Your door is a major line of defense against intruders. Whether it's the front door, patio door, or any other entry point, you'll want to choose a door that enhances your home's security. Look for doors with reinforced frames, secure locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant materials. Steel doors are one of the most secure options, offering solid protection against break-ins. Many entry doors also come with multi-point locking systems, which lock at multiple points along the frame, making them more difficult to breach. If you're replacing a patio door, consider models that have a stronger locking system and additional security features, such as shatter-resistant glass or a secure locking handle. Choose the right material. The material of your door affects its durability, appearance, and maintenance requirements. Different materials offer unique benefits, so choosing the right one for your needs is essential. Steel doors. These are incredibly durable and offer excellent security and energy efficiency. They're low maintenance and resistant to warping, denting, and cracking. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is another durable option that can mimic the look of wood while being resistant to dents, scratches, and moisture. These doors are energy efficient, low maintenance, and perfect for Redmond's climate. Wood doors. Wood doors provide a classic, elegant look, and they can be customized to fit your style. However, they require regular maintenance to prevent warping or rot, especially in areas with fluctuating temperatures and humidity. Glass doors. Glass doors, including sliding or French doors, are ideal for bringing in natural light. Look for models with low E glass to improve energy efficiency and UV protection. Match the style of your home. The style of your door can have a major impact on your home's overall curb appeal. Whether you prefer a modern, rustic, traditional, or contemporary look, it's important to select a door that complements your home's architectural style. For example, modern homes. Sleek, simple designs with clean lines work best for modern homes. Consider glass-paneled doors or minimalistic steel or fiberglass doors. Traditional homes. Classic wooden doors with intricate detailing or panel designs can add a touch of elegance to your home's exterior. Rustic homes. If you have a rustic or farmhouse-style home, a wood door with heavy, rustic hardware might be the perfect match. When choosing a door, consider both the exterior of your home and your personal style preferences. Many doors come in customizable finishes and hardware, so you can tailor the look to fit your vision. Measure carefully. Once you've narrowed down your options based on style, material, and function, make sure to measure your door opening carefully. A door that's too large or too small for the space can lead to installation problems, drafts, and energy inefficiencies. Many door manufacturers offer customizable sizes, but it's crucial to work with a professional to ensure a perfect fit. Work with a professional installer. While DIY door replacement might seem appealing, it's often best to hire a professional installer. A skilled installer will ensure the door is properly sealed, aligned, and securely fitted. They can also advise you on the best doors for your home, considering factors like climate, security, and energy efficiency. In Redmond, where weather conditions can fluctuate, proper installation is key to ensuring the door performs optimally over time. Conclusion. Selecting the right door for replacement in Redmond requires careful consideration of factors such as functionality, security, energy efficiency, material, and style. By focusing on these elements and working with a professional installer, you can choose a door that not only enhances your home's appearance but also boosts its security, energy efficiency, and long-term value. Whether you opt for a sleek fiberglass door, a traditional wooden door, or a secure steel entryway, the right replacement door can make a lasting impact on your home's comfort, beauty, and security.